Today we're assembling a steel and wood bedside table. Step 1. First, install all the long screws on the cabinet panels, 18 in total. Step 2. Assemble the cabinet body by assembling the wooden panels numbered 5, 6, 7, and 8, securing them tightly with round metal clips. Step 3. Install the drawer slides on boards numbered 5 and 6. The pre-drilled holes on the wood panels correspond to the third hole from the top and the fourth hole from the bottom on the metal slides. Next, install panel 4 and secure it tightly with round metal clips. The cabinet body is now complete. Step 4. Assemble the drawer. Secure the side panels with round metal clips. Snap the bottom panel into the groove. Attach the back panel with self-tapping screws. Install the other half of the drawer slides. Step 5. Install the metal frame. Step 6. Install the top panel onto the metal frame and mount the cabinet body as well. Self-tapping screws are used throughout this process. All steps have been completed.